Hi, I'm the Carnivore Dude, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the carnivore diet for performance. The carnivore diet is a diet that consists of only meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. It's a very restrictive diet, but it's also been shown to have some impressive benefits for performance. Benefits of the carnivore diet for performance. One of the biggest benefits of the carnivore diet is that it can help you lose weight. When you eat a lot of protein, your body releases a hormone called glucagon. Glucagon tells your body to break down stored fat for energy. This can lead to significant weight loss, especially if you're overweight or obese. The carnivore diet can also help you improve your body composition. When you lose weight on the carnivore diet, you tend to lose more fat and less muscle. This is because the diet is high in protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. In addition to weight loss and body composition improvements, the carnivore diet can also help you improve your strength and endurance. A study published in the journal Frontiers in Nutrition found that people who followed a carnivore diet for 12 weeks experienced significant improvements in strength and endurance. Drawbacks of the carnivore diet. The carnivore diet is a very restrictive diet, and it can be difficult to stick to long term. It's also important to note that the diet is not suitable for everyone. If you have any underlying health conditions, you should talk to your doctor before trying the carnivore diet. The carnivore diet is a very effective diet for weight loss, body composition improvements, strength, and endurance. However, it's important to note that the diet is restrictive and not suitable for everyone. If you're considering trying the carnivore diet, be sure to talk to your doctor first. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.